So we're headed up to Blake's house because he's been storing something for me that I think you guys are gonna find pretty interesting.
All right, boys, I just want to interrupt real quick, let you know that I'm doing a giveaway. The giveaway video will be linked down in the description below, as well as up here at some point. I'm giving away some awesome recovery gear, some pod lights from Oxbeam, which I have mounted on my 4Runner, as well as a swag pack. The other thing I wanted to let you know is that right now I'm doing 20% off site-wide, automatically applied at mechanicalventures.com. You know, this website right here. I got new colors, I got a new design, I got long sleeve, I got hoodies, and I re-upped on my stickers. 20% off your entire order. Isn't gonna last long, so get your pre-orders in right now, mechanicalventures.com. All right, boys, let's get to the video.
And if I haven't already spoiled it in the title of the video, you're in for a real treat.
Alright guys, what you're looking at here is a pair of 2005 and newer Ford Super Duty axles. These are probably the most popular pair of axles on the market right now, just because they're new, they're super heavy duty, they're relatively affordable, and there's a lot of support. There's a lot of aftermarket gears, lockers, axle shafts, knuckles, the whole bit, you name it, brakes. The front stub shafts are already 35 splines, so they're already super heavy duty. The rear ring gear is 10.5 inches in diameter. It's gigantic. They're affordable, they're readily available. The radius arm in the front allows for some peculiar mounting, some sort of off-the-shelf radius arm mounts, and some 3-link options, which are pretty great. Or you can grind them all down and do your traditional 3-link or 4-link setups. There is a bunch of aftermarket support, like I said, so they're just a great option. What I'm doing here is just building a cart to store them, just because they are probably 400 to 500 pounds per axle, which makes them a bear to move by yourself. And also, with this racking system, I'm able to service them, tear them down, clean them, inspect them, do a bunch of stuff, and have access to both axles at the same time without taking up too much room in my shop.
really didn't know if it was going to, but it's like, feels super solid. I got plenty of room right here, which I've kind of guesstimated, but plenty of room over here. I was gonna offset this to the left so that the brakes would clear and that the pumpkins would clear, but I built it just tall enough that it's perfect. I mean, look at this thing. I know it's kind of silly, like, you're probably thinking to yourself, hey, why aren't you just putting these in the 4Runner? Why are you wasting an entire weekend building a contraption so that they can collect dust? I'm just doing this temporarily so that I can tear the axles down and clean them, inspect them, sand them down, paint them, get everything all dialed in. I have unit bearings, I have brakes, I have worn manual hubs, and I'm getting, I gotta order 538 gears and some lockers. I'll be able to install the trusses or the front truss right here sitting on the rack. So it's actually gonna turn out to be really useful, and I'm stoked that it worked out. And it's like, I can move it around. I can go store it like that now. So, pretty jazzed. All right, I'm gonna take these off and throw a coat of paint on there.
Let's see if I can't defocus. All right, boys, that's gonna do it for this one. Thanks for watching. One thing of note, I wanted to mention that this is coming out Saturday morning, and 7 days from now, we will be headed to King of the Hammers. If you see us out there, take a picture, say hi, tag us on Instagram. If you tag us on Instagram, I will personally mail you a sticker and or a koozie. Come say hi, tag us on Instagram at Mechanical Adventures. Carter's gonna be out there at Carter Dean. We look forward to seeing you. We look forward to saying hi at King of the Hammers. If you're not there, stay tuned. I'll post as much as I can. Obviously, I'm gonna make a bunch of videos about it, but thanks for watching, guys. I'm having a bunch of fun with this new camera, so hopefully I'll get a bunch of super rad footage down at King of the Hammers. But that's gonna do it for this one, boys. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.